welcome back to my channel. It's a new month, and today I need to tackle my guest room. Like, this is my guest room, you guys. So, welcome to my guest room. I don't think you have seen me filming in this room because this room is the most discarded room in my entire house. It's only used when I have my mom over. It's only been used by my cats. I haven't really paid attention to this room, but tomorrow my sister is visiting me, so she'll be staying here for like a week, and I'm so super excited. But I need to fix up this guest room before she arrives because we both will be sleeping here since she cannot actually sleep alone. So yeah, first things first, I'm going to change the bed sheet and basically just organize stuff here and there. Looks so pretty. It's like all pink and so girly, and I absolutely love it. I'm super excited to meet my sister tomorrow. For this wall you're behind, I'm also planning to put up these two paintings that me and my sister did. So this is my sister's painting and this is mine. We got this done in December, like last December, and I know that putting these up going to give off Christmassy vibes, but I do not mind that. I know it should have been something summery, but I do not actually have any paintings right now, so this has to go up. I do not know how the summer is treating you, but I absolutely hate it. Like, I hate this weather. It is so, so hot, and I do not like anything about it. I'm literally waiting for this summer to pass. The only one thing that helps me is detox water. It's just super refreshing and something that pulls me through this entire heat, and it tastes so, so, so nice. So let's get started. I did get a few things, so let's open these up. I got myself this new scalp massager because mine actually broke, and this is in such a pretty yellow shade. I also did get this yellow phone case, like phone cover, because mine is completely like ruined. Like, it's become so bad in color, so I really want to change that. We put this on right now. Looks like it looks pretty nice, but I really do not like this logo thing. I absolutely love, these crocodile sectioning clips. So I picked up these ones. Like, it comes in a set of two along with these hair rollers. This set of gloves. One is in pink and one is in brown. I have a few things from H&M. I'm also in love with stripes lately, so I picked up their pink and brown striped towel. It's pretty nice, like pretty lightweight. Whenever H&M has like cotton PJ sets, I grab those, especially when it's strappy and it has like shorts. Those are like super comfortable, especially during this hot heat. How pretty is this? It has the thinnest cotton material and it's just so breathable, so lightweight. Highly recommend if you're looking for something that's cotton and super lightweight, especially for the summers. This is something you can totally blind buy. I need to take a shower right now. Like, I'm dripping in sweat, you guys. That's how hot it is in here. I'm going to start off with this Moxie's pre-wash treatment. I have like very less remaining. I'm definitely going to get a backup pretty soon because this one really helps with my flakes, especially during the summertime. It is such a perfect scalp exfoliant to use. My body mask, I'm going in with this Tabrima powder. Just going to roughly add in, and the next thing I add in is curd. I did forget to mention that you can also use this as your exfoliator. So, once it's dry, you can just scrub this in the shower. You can also scrub it like right now because it has those exfoliating particles, which is just so gentle, like not very gentle, but just the right amount. It's not as harsh as a sugar scrub, but just in between, which is just beautiful. last thing that I want to do before I sleep is to paint. So basically, this painting looks so fall coded and it does not really match this, the current season, like summers. So I really want to paint something, but I'm short on time because I have to, sleep on time and wake up early. So I have been delaying, painting this painting. I do not know why, like, don't ask me. But yeah, I'm going to finish painting this today. Like, only the sea is remaining. I really love the clouds. I did this back in 2020 and I have not been able to finish painting for some weird reason. I do not know, like I said. But anyway, we're going to paint this now and put this up once it's ready. Say hello to my sister. She is here for the last few days, and we have been just catching up, making up for lost time. So now we are going to, breakfast. Yeah, have some breakfast, chia seed pudding. Sister has some work to do, and so do we. Like, literally, look at my bathroom. It's in such a mess. I feel like I keep delaying cleaning my bathroom, and the more I keep delaying it, the more I avoid doing it. So today is literally the day. I just got done organizing inside the shower and I just realized I have like so many empties. This is just one basket. I do have one more basket filled with products and that basket is huge. I think I need to create the empties video soon so that I can actually get rid of all of this and just let you know what I liked and the ones that I will be repurchasing. The movie was amazing. The starting did feel a little bit boring to me, like I was about to doze off. Like, I do not know why, but it was kind of boring until Rocky entered, and then it just turned like so fun and so cute. And I loved it so, so very much. Like, even my sister enjoyed it because of Rocky, so hats off to him. Anyway, we are planning to go watch the sunrise tomorrow. Like, we wanted to do sunset, but there is actually no sunset in Chennai, and the heat here is like so bad at the moment, so we have to settle down for sunrise. And I have never really been for any sunrise. Like, I have not seen sunrise anywhere, even in Mumbai. So I'm quite excited to do this with my sister. And sunrise tomorrow is at 5:50 a.m., which is like super early, so we need to sleep on time as well. So I'm just going to pack the cut fruits and keep it in the fridge and take it tomorrow. It's 5:30 a.m. and there are like so many people here. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah.
Yeah, it's so shocking. I never expected something.
Sunrise is so pretty, like it is surreal. I did not really expect this in Chennai. Like there's so many people here, and we were shocked, honestly, like me and my sister. But now we get the hype. We are going to paint now. Some craft work. Yeah, craft work actually. We got back home and basically passed out because we were so tired. The reason we were tired is because we slept quite late at night. Anyway, we got this sand from, like, we picked up the sand from the beach to get our paws, like, get our cats on board as well, like on a craft log.
Yeah, but
So-
let's see how we're gonna do it.
Yeah. It's basically not that easy as we thought. So my husband is going to help us now because
I already see it.
got something done, but it was not at all easy. This is what we got done, but it is literally like a circle.
Something for our own memory.
We do have these seashells and a little bit of pearls, so I'm going to just decorate these. It's all done and I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's like so cute. I'm going to frame this up and put this somewhere. Received quite a few PRs, so let me give you, like, let's open these up together. The last one is not a PR, it's actually a collab, and I'm super excited to show you things from YSL. Super excited to try these. We have 4 lip shades and we also do have a gloss. I cannot wait to try this. This perfume from Zemaya on Instagram, so out. Sniff test. Smells like honey to me, like very rich, deep honey. This Dot and Key package. Their sunscreen. Can't wait to use this. It's so extremely lightweight. It reminds me of the Wishcare sunscreen. This Biodance package. I am obsessed. Like, it's their cleansing oil and the sheet mask. I had to repurchase this, but I'm so glad they sent these over. Package I have been wanting to open up and try with you guys because this is like a dream collaboration. I never really thought I would collab with them, but here I am and I'm so excited. Can you guess? It's Carolina Herrera, and let's sniff these out. They sent me 2 perfumes, so the other one is hard to come out. And we also do have this bag. Open it. So pretty. I do not feel like opening it up, but let's do it. Packaging is so pretty. I think I'm going to take a reel and then, open it up. I'm going to open this one because this is fine. I think this is their original one and I already do have this because this is one of my favorite, and I think I'm already like halfway through. Yeah, this is their original version, and I already have another one. So I'm so grateful to have a backup. I was anyways going to buy it, so I do not have to buy it anymore. I am also very thrilled to sniff the new launch, like the Jasmine version, but I need to wait to actually take, a whole separate video. That is all for my PR, you guys. I am so grateful and so happy. I'm going to go annoy my sister now because I think she's inside for quite a long time. We're done with dinner and it's time for bed, but we literally chit chat for 2 hours straight and
Yeah, literally on the most random topics.
yeah, the most
The whole
random
day.
topic, correct. Like for almost 24 hours, we have been only talking. So yeah, every night we come to bed, like we sleep together because my sister cannot sleep alone. We have been only chit chatting for like 2 hours and then we sleep. So tonight I just thought we should, put on a sheet mask and then do our chit chatting session. Let's put this on. We have come for pedicure. We are going to this place called Kayakalp. I am so overdue with my pedicure. I think it's been months.